The Teen Advisory Board is now recruiting 7th and 8th graders. Reserve a spot for your 7th or 8th grade teen today via email at tabcares@umcelpaso.org. For more information, call 915-521-7482. They have questions. TAB Cares has answers. This announcement is brought to you in part by the Border AIDS Partnership.
Hepatitis, HIV, and AIDS prevention really opened me up. It really exposed me to a lot of things that I kind of knew were out there, but I didn't really understand. And giving me that knowledge, it allowed me to be able to help the people that I love and people that I care about, people that I don't even know, that I can just hear talking in the hallways. I feel good because I have this knowledge, and I feel like it's my responsibility to share. Whenever I'm confronted by a friend, as somebody who needs me, I have that spine and knowledge that I can fall back on because I know if it wasn't for this opportunity, I wouldn't be the person I am today. It's given me, honestly, a lot of hope, and it's given me so much ability to understand, and it's given me the ability to make choices better. When you have knowledge, it's easier to go by knowledge than just by your own morals.
Hello, I'm Omar Sanchez, and I'm 14, and I go to John D. Middle School. The HIV prevention program that TAB has helped me understand how AIDS can affect you and in what ways it affects you. Well, I'm more knowledgeable about the STDs and the HIV, so I will try to get out the word so everyone who needs to know about the STDs and HIV and AIDS that are out there. I recommend this program to my friends because it will help them in the long run knowing about STDs and HIV and all the other stuff.
I'm Omar Lavilla. I graduated from TAB fall 2009. I'm 16 years old. I go to Riverside High School. I'm a sophomore. Since TAB, I have been able to use all their facts in real life situations, especially because I'm in high school. The presence of drugs and the presence of sex is always going to be there, especially in my high school years. So because of TAB, I have learned to say no to fear and peer pressure. All the information that I received from TAB, I'm well-rounded around my presentation. I can answer any question that's presented upon me. And I feel like I could do a very good speech because of Teen Advisory Board. I've been able to answer any question that comes upon when I'm doing presentations. This program has helped me educate my personal friends because when they come up to tell them and ask, what can I do in this situation, I have the answer to be able to tell them, you know what, don't do sex, don't do drugs, this can happen in the long run.
Hello, my name is Guillermo Alicia. I am 14 years old. I go to Alicia Second Middle School. I graduated TAB in fall of 2011. I have been doing the HIV presentation for 2 years already. I think giving information on HIV prevention is very good because everybody needs this information, even if they're abstinent, because if they decide that they want to start, it is good information to have. After completing the peer educator program, I have gained a lot of confidence, self-esteem, and self-confidence. I recommend this program to anybody who can get it because it is a good thing to be able to do these presentations because it helps a lot in the future.
Hola, soy Claudia Zagarría, tengo 15 años y estoy en el 10º grado. Y me gradué hace 2 años, en el otoño del 2009, y voy a Missionary College. Este programa me dio toda la información que necesito como de diferentes temas que ahorita muchos adolescentes estamos pasando y me gusta tenerla porque así puedo darles la información correcta a mis amigos o compañeros o personas que dan solo información que es rumores o mitos y no es información verdadera. Y me siento orgullosa de poder tener la información correcta y poder decírsela sin alguna mentira y estar segura y saber las consecuencias y los riesgos de las acciones que hago y poder ayudar a los demás. Este programa se le recomendaría a todos los adolescentes que pudieran venir porque en realidad sí les ayudan a tener las diferentes consecuencias de muchas acciones que pensamos que no tienen riesgos o no puede pasar nada malo y nos enseña como todas las consecuencias de lo que estamos viviendo y de todos los actos que podemos tomar y en realidad les ayudaría.
Hey, my name is Rogelio Montellano. I'm 19 years old and I'm currently enrolled at UTEP. I graduated from TAB in 2006. Because of the Border AIDS Partnership, I've been able to give presentations to thousands of people and just be more active in my community and become a better public speaker. I want to see this program improve in a way that it opens even more doors for teenagers, and it helps them be more active in the community by educating them.
Does anybody know what HIV stands for?
Human immunodeficiency virus. That's very good. AIDS. Now, who knows what AIDS stands for?
The Teen Advisory Board is now recruiting 7th and 8th graders. Reserve a spot for your 7th or 8th grade team today via email at tabcares@umcelpaso.org. For more information, call 915-521-7482. They have questions. TAB Cares has answers. This announcement is brought to you in part by the Border AIDS Partnership.